Hey guys, Chefs here. So today I will show you a setup I made which will make your boring home screen like this to this. So the setup is based on the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie and is purely made on Xiaomi's theme app, meaning no KWGT widget or any other launcher used in this setup. So if you are new here, do subscribe and check out my other videos. Now without further ado, let's get started. Watch the full video so you don't miss anything. So firstly, we'll change the icon size. We'll go to the setting and change the icon size to 5 and also change the layout to 5. Now we will add the first clock widget on the home screen. Remember, the first one, because the theme only applies to that first one. Now we will download the theme. So in this setup I have used multiple themes. So the first theme that we're gonna download is Miles Spider-Man. We will apply it only to home screen and uncheck the other three options. For system, we will download the Spider UI and apply it only to system. Now for lock screen, we will download the theme Spider with a Y and we will apply it only to lock screen. Now for icons, I used Starry Sky and you are free to choose yours. Now we will apply it to icons. Now we'll go to the home screen and you can see here the clock widget has changed to this spider themed clock, and also the lock screen looks interesting and lively. And as for the status bar, you can see here the blur effect behind the quick toggles, which gives an interesting look to this status bar. Now for the wallpapers, you can use any one of the two. One which I made can be downloaded from the link in the description. The second one is from an app called AMOLED.in. Now we will apply the wallpaper and place the icons according to that. Now your setup is complete, but before ending this video, a bonus tip: you can also use the Spider-Man official font if you want to make your setup more interesting. So that's it from my end. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. This is Chefs and I will see you in the next one.